Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. It's another day. Okay, I go by the name Fellow F. All right, it's Sunday. As I promised, I'm gonna give you a top-down analysis on the pairs I trade. Yeah, so if you see on my pairs, I usually have some major key levers. I have some major key levers. So I have my major key levels, which are round figures like 1.2800, 1.2700, 1.2600, stuff like that. All right, so around the zone, if you see, my major two key levels are 1.28 and 1.27. And all right, I'll just turn my chart. Maybe I'll take my face off so you can concentrate. Okay, looking at our chart, let me just go to the daily first. I always love to start with the daily, though we can go all the way to the monthly, come down to weekly, but most of the time I love to follow up the daily charts. All right, network is not actually the best. Let me see. Okay, guys, looking at our daily chart, you realize that this market has been consolidating within this zone for a very long period of time. And when you see great consolidation of this manner, we actually consider this zone as a serious zone. Yeah, a zone where we can call it there is more interest, point of interest. Yeah, there's more interest around this zone. So there's serious consolidation here. So most of my trades I've been taking have been within this zone, the 1.28 and 1.26 zone. So if you look critically, let me go all the way to the weekly so we can look at the overall trend of the market. Okay, looking at the market, you realize that before the market was actually making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, lower low. Now, looking at this structure, you realize that the market has broken structure around here and has gone back to retest a zone. Okay. You realize that the market has retested 1.28 and it's showing more of bearish momentum. There is a higher possibility for the market to keep dropping to the downside. Okay, now on this market, what should be our long-term bias? Actually, we should be hoping that if you use your Fibonacci to figure out your entries and everything for swing traders. So we are doing this for swing traders. Take it from the swing high to the swing low. Okay, you realize that the market has retraced above 61.8%, which means it has a higher probability to start dropping because it has retraced more than 50%. Okay, let me turn on my camera. Yeah, it has retraced more than 50%. Now, when the market retraces more than 50%, it means you can take a position. There are so many strategies. You can choose what to do. Yeah, some of my followers or some of my guys who are swing traders, personally, I was swing trading, but I stopped doing it. I don't have enough capital to swing trade. So I decided not to swing trade again. All right. So you can take this like normally you were supposed to take a limit order around 68, 61.8%. Put your stop loss a few pips above the swing high. Yeah, for swing traders, this is massive, guys. You need so much capital to be able to take this trade if you want to swing trade it. All right, let's use our fib level, our fib to know where exactly we are to put our take profits. Okay, so yeah, where you see this negative 27%, that's where you take your first, your final take profit. All right, so this trade is actually a 1:2.3 risk to reward. Yeah, that's a trade. But within this trade, there are so many short trades you can take. There are so many short trades you can take. You can even buy, even though you are seeing more bearish momentum. You see, there's been so much rejection around this zone. There's been so much rejection around this zone. Yeah, which makes it clear that the market has a higher probability to drop, but we still don't have any perfect confirmation. Reason being that you see they have been indecision around the zone. They've been rejection down and rejection up. Okay, that's why you see I considered 1.27, 1.28 and 1.26 to be very, very, very important zones. All right, guys. So we go down now to our daily time frame to figure out what we're expecting. All right, let's take off this for our let's take off the long-term analysis and now start looking for the short term. You see, if the market continuously trade the way it is right now, then we should be looking for a buy around this zone, because you notice that whenever the market hits this zone, this is simple technicals like what everybody, all traders should know. When the market is at the support zone, you look for buys. When the market is at the support zone, you look for buys. When it's around the resistance, you look for sells. So right now, you should be looking for buys in this market. Okay, you should be looking for buys unless the market breaks and slips below 1.2600. Then that's the only reason why you should now start looking for sells around this support zone. Okay, but for now, I'm opening my eyes more to buy all the way up. And when it's up around this zone, I sell. I take off my position and now start looking for sells. And the only reason why I want to buy more is if the market breaks this level and closes above it. Looking for sells if the market breaks this level and closes below it. Okay, I don't know if you understand the point. Let me rephrase it again. As you see this market right now, you should be looking for buys around here, because this is a resistance level. Okay, this is a level of resistance. Of support. This level of support, and when the market comes back up here, you should be looking for sells because it's a level of resistance. This is basic technical analysis or basic technical analysis. All right, guys, thank you very much. I think we'll go down now to 4 hours to look at the structure of the market. You see, the market has come around this zone. It's now struggling to buyers are now getting in, struggling to take the market back all the way up. Okay, it's very normal. If you come behind, you will see that every time the market comes around this zone, you see, like here, the market came and they bought it all the way up. You come ahead, the market came, they bought it all the way up, and here the market touched up here, sold it all the way down. Very easy, simple technical analysis. So right now you should be looking for a buy opportunity. All right, you should be looking for a buy opportunity. If you go down to the 1 hour time frame, let's look at this. Voila, you see, buyers are now struggling to come in. Okay, but personally, I'm not sure to buy yet because my confirmations are not yet valid. All right, guys. Which other pair should we look? I think we should look at at US dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, the US dollars against the Canadian dollar. I also have some key levels, but I'll take everything off and let's do pure price action. Okay, let's analyze based on what we see. Let's forget about all the lines. Okay, guys, let's go all the way to daily to look at our overall chart. Okay, looking at the daily, I had a position that I took, yeah, here, and it was fantastic. I made massive profits from this trade. Okay, yeah, I hardly trade this pair. I had to trade it, but I made massive profits on this trade. When I saw the market came around the zone and started rejecting, you see, I talk much about rejections around a point of interest. When the market started rejecting around this zone, I said, no, this is a sell for me. This is a sell for me. And I got in immediately. And guys, you saw all the money that was made. All right. This is so amazing. It's sweet to make, to have a winning trade, but you shouldn't, like tie everything to it. All right, I just want to show you something. Where is it? Don't let wins get rid. Don't let the wins get to your head or let the losses get to your heart. All right, guys, These are things you need to take into consideration when trading. So do not let the wins get into your head, neither let the losses get into your heart, because as a trader, you should try as much as possible to be robotic, to trade with less or no emotion. Trade based on what the market is telling you. All right, guys, this is not a psychology class. I think we'll get to that. We'll get to that level soon. All right, guys. Okay, now looking at the daily chart, we'll see that we've actually been in a serious downtrend. Yes, the market has been trending downwards. We can take our trend line to validate this trend. Okay, you see, the market has been trending downwards. Boom, it has touched a trend line again, and you realize that it actually matches. Sorry, low battery. Oh, this traders always having low battery. It actually matches with a point of interest. You see, around this zone, I can consider this zone a point of interest. You see, because whenever the market reaches the zone, there is something. Okay, something actually happens. You see, it touched the zone here, and it went back up. Okay, let's go further. It touched the zone around here, it spiked all the way up. It touched the zone here, it spiked all the way up. All right, so now as it is touching the zone from the bottom, I believe it's going to come all the way down. So for me, my long-term bias for the USD CAD is sell, 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 sell. You got to sell right now. Okay. Yes, I'm seeing sales. All right, let's go down to 4 hours to see what's happening in the market. What we can. Whoa. Okay, guys. Simple. This is very simple. Okay. This is very, very simple. If you can get it, you'll get it. Okay. Let's take our drawing tool, not a drawing tool. Let's take our I can call it horizontal rail. Okay, you see, this is actually resistance, the one I drew just now. Let's take the one down. This is support. Once the market hits my resistance, I start looking for sales. First, I will tell you that the market has wiped out liquidity that was lying here, because there was some liquidity above these highs. You see, this is a high, this is a high, this is a high, this is a high, even here this is a high. So this one has taken off the liquidity, and now we are looking for sales, guys. Sell, 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 sell. For this week, I'll be looking for sales in the market. Okay, I'm looking for sales in the market on USD CAD. All right, do you want to see gold? All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, do not also forget to follow the link below to join my free Telegram channel, where I share amazing content. Like every trade I take, I share with my Telegram group. Like everyone in my Telegram group actually enjoys my trades. Okay, we take trades and we share results. Everything goes here, man. Everything goes here. You see, we trade together. Like it's lively at times. At times we even share our screens. We trade together as a team. So guys, join us. The link is below. Okay, the link to our Telegram is below, and the link to my X is below. The link to my Facebook is below. The link to my Instagram is below. Like everything, guys, just follow, just subscribe. Do not forget to like, comment, guys. Tell us what you want to see on our next videos, because we actually share the trades we take. Everything is live. Everything you see, you can trace us. You can actually verify on your own to see if the trades we are talking about are legit. All right, guys, thank you very, very much for watching this video. You want to know more about gold, my analysis for gold? Yeah, but I think I'll give you that within the week. Yeah, I'll drop a video on gold within the week, so you can know what to do, because I actually made massive profits on gold last week. When I say massive, I mean it. I made massive profits on gold last week during NFP. I traded with my team. All of us, we traded together. It was so amazing. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay blessed. It's longer than I wanted, but it's TA, so you got to be patient to follow up and watch. If you have watched to the end, you are the best. Thank you.